Okay, guys, back. Ooh, too close. There. Okay, we've got our soup done. My chicken is done. I got me a pretty good size bowl of shredded chicken now. But what we're gonna do now is get us a thing of our stock. That's about 1.25 cups. I strain it. Y'all know I strain all my chicken that I cook. And I think it needs a little bit more. So let's go back now with 3/4 cup. So that would be 2 whole cups of chicken broth. And you see why I strain it? Y'all see that? I don't want that in my soup. Just like I don't want it in my dumplings when I cook dumplings either. Okay, now that looks pretty soupy. We may put more. We may. But I also, guys, I forgot to add my onion a while ago, so I did add 2 small onions because that's what we had. I would have added just like 1 medium onion, but I didn't have a medium onion. Now I've added my chicken. You want your chicken to be shredded good, chopped good, however you want it, but you want it to be in small pieces so that every bite of soup that you get has chicken in it. And then me and Sonny today, and you can do stuff like this, today we're adding cream cheese because we want cream cheese, and we're going to add a whole block. And this is why we might have to add another packet of taco mix. So once this gets melted, once my cream cheese gets melted, I can taste it and see if I, want to add any more taco seasoning. We just want it to still taste good and taco-y, but Sonny just wanted creamy today, and we didn't want to add heavy cream. So we love cream cheese, so we added cream cheese. Alright, I'm going to turn y'all down so you can see it. See it there? You can see it's starting to get creamy looking. It's melting. But we just want it to taste good and taco soupy. Good and taco soupy. And you don't have to have creamy, guys. You can leave it just exactly like it was.
So that what?
Sonny, will you come get a bowl and a spoon so you can taste it and see if it needs more taco stuff? You ain't got clothes on, baby. A bowl, yeah, you can get a bowl, but you don't have clothes on, so you can't come over here. It definitely needs a little more soup, guys.
What am I needing?
A bowl and a spoon so you can taste it.
Oh, and I could make marry together. We gonna taste it already?
3, 4. Yeah, I'm just needing the taco seasoning. I just need you to tell me about the taco seasoning. Not that it won't cook anymore, but we need to know if it tastes taco-y enough. Okay?
Is you recording?
Yeah. I'm live. I'm not recording. I'm live.
She kicked your thing.
Oh, sorry,
That's
guys.
what I was just wondering.
She kicked us. Don't kick it, baby. Okay, they're going to. Okay, well, give me a bowl to dip it in. Oh, I can just dip it in this chicken bowl. I can dip it in this chicken bowl. There's a big glob of cream cheese that hasn't melted yet, but you can still. She can tell me, guys, if she thinks it needs a little more of something. And we're going to eat ours with tortilla chips. Tortilla chips. Okay?
I got it right here. No, right here.
She got a bowl, baby. You just want to get your cream cheese melted good, and then I would let it, boil together for a good 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready because the chicken's done, the soup's done. All we want to do is now marry the chicken in with everything. Huh?
Very good to me.
Don't need any more? Okay. Sonny says it doesn't need any more, that it's very, very good. What? I don't know what she's telling me. But anyhow, this is gonna be some good lunch. But we're just gonna let it. I'm gonna put my timer on. Okay. Oh, you want some already? Well, this didn't let you eat soupy and sugar, but okay, it's okay. Got to get another spoon anyway to dip the stuff. Here, Sonny. She wanted her some
What am I doing
tacos.
with this?
She wanted it. It's got to cool for her. But anyhow, we're wanting to get our cream cheese. Oh, my timer. I done been talking, so I'm just gonna do it for 4 minutes. That'll be a good 5 minutes. Huh?
Stop. Maybe that's dirty. I gotta wash it. Let me wash it. No, Blue, to answer your question.
What?
Anything to drink.
Oh no. But there we go, guys. There we go. Is that good?
Tasted really good.
Tasted really good. Sonny says it tasted really good, guys. Really good. So that's a good thing.
All right, sissy girl, here you go.
But
you don't
look,
have no,
you don't have to add pinto beans. You can add those. What did you say they call them?
black beans.
Black beans. I don't eat them, so I didn't add them. I just got pinto beans, guys. And you can't even add chili beans with the mild chili sauce in it.
Navy beans.
Navy beans, black-eyed peas. I mean, any bean or pea that you want in there. The tomatoes and whatever is your main thing, but you just want enough juice for it to be.
And you don't have to add the cream cheese.
Yeah, you don't have to add the cream cheese. Sonny just wanted cream cheese today. And you can add cream cheese to soup and it's fine. So, anyhow, we are ready to eat. I'm fixing to, well, Rick, Sonny, can you taste it for them on live? On here? She'll allow me to do that. Are you going to taste them those? Oh, no.
No.
Okay, she's going to taste it for y'all, guys.
I mean, I just tasted it.
I know, but you wasn't on live. You need to taste it on live so they know you're really eating it. We don't trust her, do we?
I think if it would.
Hey, and guys, we were only 16 away from 10,000 this morning when I looked. So, I just had a thought. You know what I might add next time? Some itty bitty diced potatoes.
Yeah, she said the black beans are okay if you rinse them first.
I just never have been a fan of them.
It looks really good. I mean, it looks really good.
Yeah.
It tastes good. I don't like hot food, y'all. Sorry.
Good?
Regular.
Yay! All right, guys, we're fixing to eat. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds. So I'm going to jump off from here. And make sure
for anybody that doesn't like any kind of heat, it's not hot, but it does have
well, it has a
there's
little
spice to it.
It's
Like
going to have
I
a little
feel
bit of spice
in
from
my
the rotel and
mouth.
from the taco seasoning, guys. So
Like Great Day would not have liked it because it's got that.
and I got
spice
original. I got original.
Yeah, it's the. I think it's more
Rotel.
the taco. Like the seasoning. It's more of a spice, not a hot,
And
a spice.
I just got mild tacos.
Yeah.
What did I get? No, I got original. See, I didn't even get mild. I just got original. And she said it still has a little bit of spice. So, anyhow, look at this. I'm going to show you up close of the...
But I mean, it's really good. I just wanted to forewarn. Anybody that don't. I mean, it's not hot at all.
Isn't that gorgeous?
I don't have to drink anything. I just wanted to.
Oh, it looks so good. I can't wait. All right, and like I said, we're eating ours with tortilla chips. Ooh, and I'm going to shake y'all around. Sorry. All right, guys. Love you. Y'all please share this out so we can get them other 16 people. All right. Love you guys.